Cold drinks are officially on the menu, and an Espresso Shakerato is a light, invigorating twist on a classic Shakerato. As with any coffee style, always use freshly roasted beans, which is essential for getting the full flavor potential. Select Espresso Shakerato from the drinks menu. You'll see a handy recipe card that displays the recommended ingredients. After grinding, insert your portafilter into the grouphead. Using the Breville Cocktail Shaker is an ideal way to make an Espresso Shakerato. However, if you don't have one, start with a normal glass, placing it under the portafilter. Brew a double shot of espresso and wait for extraction to complete. If you're using a generic shaker, now is the time to transfer your espresso. Next, fill the shaker 3/4 full with ice. Add 1/3 of an ounce of sugar syrup and a squeeze of lemon. Secure the lid firmly and shake vigorously before serving into a glass with ice. Garnish with grated nutmeg to serve. Now, all you need to do is enjoy. Experience cafe-quality cold drinks made easy with Breville.